Another problem with teleport? Not again. What kind of transition? Okay, I'll move on and forget about the transition. Wow, this place is very beautiful. It's possible to be a safe place. What kind of door is this? Where does it lead? Teleport makes it easier to find out what's there. Is it just me? Or is this building a little creepy? Oh. What am I doing here? It seems that the landing was unsuccessful again. I'll find another plot. Now I'll find a way out. I'm thinking of going there. Oh no, not this cat. Time to escape. I'm too tired of running around. I need rest before I run away. Please, don't eat me. Maybe she didn't understand what I was talking about, but now I can't understand. What exactly does he want from me? Just needed a rest, and not in the cat's stomach. And now he tried to put me to sleep, but I didn't get enough sleep. What happened? I didn't understand. Why am I here, near the door? I'll clarify later.
Check out the video.